Welcome to Balanan Lake. It's a beautiful 24-hectare lake that is said to have been formed when an earthquake flung rocks and erected a dam downstream. The lake is fringed by hills and mountain ranges that rise 200 meters from the bank. Here, you can enjoy a breathtaking view of the shimmering Balanan Lake. You can find here 3 spring-fed swimming pools that are secreted behind shaded trees. The more adventurous can check out the tree house, which is 60 feet above the ground, built on a dalakit. Or you can try a zip line that glides you across the lake. Bangkas, paddle boats, or kayaks are also available for your enjoyment. This is paradise, waiting to be discovered. The serene environment, the calm waters, the birds chirping on the trees, the fresh air creates an ambiance that is Balanan Lake.